on the way, boys.
So load that guy now.
Watch this crazy clip. Oh, that's a work truck. I didn't expect it to be a work truck.
Yeah.
I didn't even see that it had the... That's a gas water heater, not an electric one. Whoa. It didn't even smash it. It didn't even bend.
Are you showing it, or are you just
No, I'm pointing it at it.
sure?
Oh, I was pointing at the truck. Man, it just flew that thing. Did it just go up in the air again? I think it did. Look at that thing, Mom. That's the water heater. Right there. It was the water heater, that tank.
He wants me to go over here.
Watch, man.
Show it. You gotta look at it.
I'm showing it, yeah.
No, but you're doing my back seat, not the.
No, I'm filming.
So he does.
Just watch this, man.
We're talking to him, man. The guy's talking to him. I don't want to mess it up my truck.
Yep, there it goes.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, that's crazy. It just bent, and it's going up in the air. And swing. Crunch it. Smash the compressor. Boom. That's crazy. Hope we get some money. Look at that lawnmower. Oh, whoa. Whoa. There's a lawnmower over there. That's crazy.
Is it?
Yeah, there's a lawnmower over there.
Oh, yeah.
Couple gets smashed.
Jeez.
Yeah, please subscribe. Hope you enjoyed that crazy
And we'll show.
grabber.
Don't close it. We'll show the check.
Yeah.
Show them how much money. We'll take a picture of it.
Yeah, get it on film. And we'll see that money, boys. We'll see the money. $43! Oh my god! Dude!
Man,
$43!
we can go out to eat good today.